Good morning, everybody. We have the honor of working on Kyle's 59 Cadillac today. Look at this car. Just absolutely stunning. It's been impeccably maintained. When he thinks anything may be wrong, we check it out for him. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this car. This is actually one of my favorites. So when he, excuse me, when he brought it back for storage to go back in again, he said, it seems like it's dripping something. It is. He's got a bad heater hose. Nothing major. Just a little difficulty to try and get it taken care of because we have that hose right there that runs under the intake and comes out over here on top. And as you can tell, I already cut the hose. So we'll yank it, match its length, and put a new one on. And of course, top off the radiator, of course. So Kyle will be able to drive his car again without having any worries. So, but on that note, easy job, easy fix. We'll see you guys with a car that's fixed. Hey, boys and girls. Look what we did. So here is a cutoff valve of sorts that was going from the heater core to the outlet of where this hooks up. So your heater core was like this, and that's where it hooks up. So you can tell it didn't want to come off, so we had to cut it. Same thing with this one. Come on, focus. Focus, Danielson. There you go. So we had to cut this one off as well. This is frozen and will not even turn. So there's part of the problem with restriction. Not getting proper flow. So leaking, well, there's the second issue. So we will put new hose on, minus frozen cutoff. And we will get him filled up because we're on the last hose now. Super easy job in general. Sticky, burp. Okay, English, Scotty. Sticky hoses. Out of that, easy fix. So we got you guys. Kyle, you know I love this car, and I will always take good care of you guys. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all color. Sorry, I love this car so much. It is so beautiful. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. No, kidding. So Xander saw it. I didn't catch it right away. Where was it again? So that's where your hole was, Kyle. That is completely just... So that was what was causing the issue. And the hose, I guarantee you, hasn't been changed in a while, but we already showed you guys the... It won't even turn at all. So that's part of your problem as well. But, all right, guys, we'll let you go. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Bobby with his magic of fade to black. It'll be one quick video. But we'll see you guys in the next one. What do you say, Xander?
Bye.
So, Xander needed help on his project. So we finished off all the hoses. I think we showed you guys that on the last one. All the hoses are plugged up to the heater core. It's all taken care of. It's good. We've got them here inside the intake, and then there inside the intake. And then we pressurize the system and see if it drops. That has not dropped one bit in 10 minutes. Come on, focus. There we go. So we're solid. There's no more leaks. I'm not even gonna worry about it. So we'll get them all taken care of. But I did notice that his battery was one of 23.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll bring that up to him and let him know that might need to be approached getting a new battery soon. Now it's a good strong one, so there shouldn't be any issues with getting it replaced. So, but on that note, what do we say?
Later.